Have you ever thought about what makes one person's touch feel like it's awakening something deep inside you? Or maybe it's that feeling when you can't stop thinking about them, as if you're becoming addicted to their presence, needing them like the air you breathe. You might be saying to yourself, this must be some kind of magic, but actually it's not. Everything takes place inside the brain. It's your brain that decides who you get drawn to, and it doesn't stop there. It goes on to do even more complex things. Research shows that when you fall in love, three powerful systems in your brain take over. You think you're in control, but it's actually them running the show. Lust, attraction, and commitment. The wildest thing about these three brain systems is that they can work separately, each pulling you in a different direction without you even realizing it. And this very feature of the brain has given rise to 5 types of love that aren't actually real love. Look at this table. The unfortunate truth? True dreamlike love only forms when all three systems are equally powerful, working in harmony. Now let's break down how these three systems come to life inside your brain. When love first sparks in your brain, adrenaline is the hormone that sounds the alarm. Ever met someone who instantly made your heart race, your hands sweat, and left you struggling to find words with a mouth dried? That's not magic. It's your brain flipping the love switch without asking for permission. The second hormone that plays a role in the attraction phase of the brain is dopamine. According to research, dopamine levels are higher in people who are in a relationship. This is the same hormone released in the brain after using cocaine, so it's no surprise that love can sometimes feel like an addiction. You know how you can't stop thinking about that person, constantly daydreaming about them? It's like magic, right? Again, it's not. That's just your brain at work, thanks to the third hormone in the attraction system, serotonin. It's actually serotonin's fault. This little hormone is the reason you can't get that person out of your head. When it comes to lust, it's all about testosterone and estrogen. These are the hormones that run the show. Things like facial symmetry, glowing skin, and strong physics and subtle signals. Psychologists refer to this as evolutionary attraction. When it comes to commitment, it's oxytocin and vasopressin working behind the scenes in your brain. Released during sex, oxytocin plays a powerful role. Studies reveal that if its natural production is stopped in sheep and mice, they reject their own offspring. Vasopressin is the second hormone active in this process. Its role in long-term relationships was discovered when researchers observed prairie voles. These voles formed strong pair bonds even beyond reproduction, but when given a drug that blocked vasopressin, their emotional connection vanished, and their bond broke quickly. Factor X, where science hits the brake wall. Attraction isn't purely biological, it can be profoundly personal and layered. This unique element is what psychologists describe as the X factor. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and before you go, please subscribe to my channel, like and share your thoughts by leaving a comment.